Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Excel Chapter 5 Hand-on Exercise 2 Simulation Exam. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. Total question is 5 and create the pivot table using the sum of resident enrolled by category recommended the pivot table. So go to the insert tabs and click the recommended pivot tables. Sum of residents enrolled by category. Sum of resident enrolled by category and click OK. And next is rename the new sheet is pivot tables. Right clicks and click the rename is pivot table and press enter. Next is assign the name enrollment to the pivot tables. So assign the name is pivot table name is enrollment and press enter. So question number 1 is complete. We move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is add the instructor field to the column area. So add the instructor field to the column area. Instructor field to the column area. And next is add the total sale field to the value area of the pivot table. Add the total sales. So add the total sale in the value area. And next is add the course title field to the row area below the category field. So click the course title, row area in the category field. And next is collapse the advanced seminars in the pivot table and so that only total display the advanced category. So collapse the advanced. So question number 2 is complete and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is remove the course title from the pivot table. Remove the course titles from the move the course title and click the course title and remove the field. Next is move the instructor field to row area and instructor field row area below the category field. Move the instructor field is row area. So question number 3 is complete and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is use the value field setting dialog box, type the custom name sale by category for the value and apply the accounting number format with the 0 decimal places. So right clicks and click the value field settings and custom name is sale by category. Sale by category. Sale by category and apply the accounting number format 0 decimal places and click OK and again OK. Next is type the category in cell A3. So select the A3 and type the category. And press enter. So question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is in cell J1 in the seminar sale sheets enter the get a pivot data function in cell B14 in cell the pivot table sheets. In cell J1 type is equal to and go to the pivot table worksheet in cell B14 and press enter. Next in cell J2 type is equal to and enter the get a pivot table function in cell B11 in the pivot table. So select the B11, type the B11 and press enter. Next is type the 300 and cell D26. So type the D26 and press enter and type the 300 and press enter. Next is refresh the pivot tables. Go to the pivot table and go to the pivot table design and click the refresh all. So question number 5 is complete. So assignment is done and please click OK to submit the assignment and click OK. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So check the Excel chapter 5 and exercise 2 simulation exam is check the score is 100%. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email.